Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to find a YouTube video URL on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open YouTube on your PC by launching your preferred web browser and typing in youtube.com in the address bar. Step 2. Navigate to the YouTube video for which you want to find the URL. You can use the search bar or browse through your subscriptions or recommended videos. Step 3. Below the video player, you'll see a share icon, often depicted as an arrow. Click on it to reveal the sharing options. Step 4. From the options that appear, click on Copy Link. This will automatically copy the YouTube video URL to your clipboard. And that's it. You have successfully found the YouTube video URL on your PC. Now you can easily share the video or use the URL for any other purposes. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video.